How to fix Tonkeeper wallet not working. So if you want to fix your Tonkeeper wallet not working, then the first thing you need to check is if it's up to date or not. So first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, go with the search, and under search you need to search for Tonkeeper, and then tap on the application, and here if you have any updates, then simply go with update and update your application. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply search for Tonkeeper and tap and hold on to that application. Go with app info. Once you go with app info, now go with storage and cache, and here you need to tap on clear cache and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply remove that and open up your Tonkeeper application. Once you open, now check if it's working, but if it's not, then go with the upper right, which has that settings option. Under settings, you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have an option of support. So tap on support and it will take you to the Telegram channel under Tonkeeper. So you just need to simply tap on start, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on start, now you will have the ticket ID. You can choose your language. So for example, I'll be choosing English, and then tap on question about Tonkeeper, and here you will have tech support. Tap on tech support, then you're going to go ahead and click on still need help, which is on the bottom, and you need to describe the issue that you're facing. For example, the Tonkeeper support has given you the example. So in this way, you just need to simply write them or tell them your problem, and the Tonkeeper support will try to fix your problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Tonkeeper wallet not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.